Hold up, Sloopy. Don't press play on 2025 with your 2024 affiliate strategy. If you're still using the same outdated tactics, you're leaving significant money on the table. The affiliate world is evolving and fast. But what if just a few surprising tweaks could turn your affiliate side hustle into a real moneymaker? I'm about to unveil the 7 shockingly effective affiliate tactics for 2025, and trust me, you haven't seen most of these before. Tactic number 1, the product specific landing page, the power move. Forget dumping raw affiliate links, instead, create a dedicated landing page for each product you promote. Share your authentic story, your purpose, and the transformation the product enables. You're not just dropping links anymore, you're building trust like an expert. And that means more conversions. Tactic 2, the hyper smart email segmentation strategy. That was a lot. Mass blasting your entire list. That's ancient history. Segment your emails based on behavior and interest. Send tailored offers that feel like helpful nudges, not sales pitches. When your email feels personal, your commissions start to explode. Is your mind spinning at? Good, because we're just getting started. Hit that subscribe button and tap that bell so you'll never miss the next game-changing strategy. Let's keep this thing rolling. Tactic number 3, authentic storytelling on steroids. People don't connect with products, they connect with stories. Ditch generic promo posts, instead share the transformation. Talk about the before and the after. Let people see themselves in your journey. This isn't selling, this is about connection. And conversions follow. Tactic 4, link cloaking with geo-targeting brains. Ugly affiliate links scream, I'm getting paid, and scare off the clicks. Use innovative link cloaking tools that also geo-target the users. Use the international traffic, automatically send it to their local stores. You stop leaking commissions and actually start banking more globally. Tactic 5, true cross-platform adoption. Repurposing is old school. 2025 is about platform native content. What goes viral on TikTok may not translate well on LinkedIn. Adopt your core message to the tone, style, and audience of each platform. Yes, it's more work, yeah, I know, but the results are worth the extra effort. Tactic number 5, radical transparency equals unshakable authority. People can smell fake miles and miles away. Be honest. Say, hey, this isn't a fake link. But here's why I recommend it. Pair that with a balanced, no BS review, and you'll become the go to expert. When people trust you, they have more likely to purchase from you. Tactic number 7, you got to niche down to blow up. You've heard the riches are in the niches, but here's the twist. Go ultra specific and then cross sell. Not just fitness, but hit, say, like moms over 40, and then recommend other relevant solutions that solve more of their problems. You're not selling more, you're serving deeper. So, which tactic blew your mind? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from it. And if you're serious about affiliate success in 2025, don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell, and I've got more strategies dropping every single week. Hey, let's be real. Lazy affiliate marketing just won't cut it anymore. But if you embrace these more innovative, sharper strategies, you'll build trust, boost income, and finally play offense instead of defense. And as always, this is Scott. Peace and progress.